Good morning everyone. Today my friends will do an activity on importance of trees.
Hey, today I am going to forest to cut a tree to make furniture.
Hey, I will also come to take some firewood.
Here is the tree.
Shall we cut and share?
Okay.
Hey, please don't cut the tree.
Trees are very useful for us. Please don't cut.
Now my friends will tell us the products that we get from trees.
We get rubber from trees. Yeah, rubber from trees.
We get medicines from trees.
We get fruits from trees.
We get vegetables from trees.
We get food, pulses, rice from trees.
We get paper from trees.
We get shade from trees.
We get clothes from trees.
We get furniture from trees.
We get rain from trees.
We get oxygen from trees.
We get firewood from trees. So friends, we have seen all the important things from trees. So please don't cut the trees. And plant trees when you cut the trees. Thank you.
Create a video of your talents and share it via WhatsApp on 9700491819. If you are new to this channel, then don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.